this very serene atmosphere, green atmosphere. I wish them all the success. It's a different concept altogether, where people will be encouraged more to go by the cycles than by scooters and cars. And success, as far as they are concerned, must maybe a economic success. But if this project succeeds, then I would say that it will be environmentally friendly and it will be successful for the environment as well. So I wish them all the best. That my best wishes.
It's basically electric bicycle, but convertible as a normal bicycle with the mountain. It's basically a mountain bike, which can be used as a normal bicycle, or if you are tired, or if for a pleasure ride, you can use the electric drive, which you can take it up to 25 kilometers. And it's a small lithium-ion battery, 36 volt, which is hardly weighing 1.5 kilo. Which you can detach and take it, so that you don't have to worry when you left your cycle somewhere that it is stolen or whatever. And also we want to, in this place where we are putting this bicycle, we will put a solar charging system for this. So totally we will be depending on the solar energy. We will be not using any kind of fuel like petrol, electricity or whatever, except for the what is the battery, which is goes for 800 plus recycling. That is, we can charge for 800 charges. So it's like almost twice in a day. I mean once in 2 days. Once in 2 days, because hardly you will not use so much. So it can go for almost 1,600 days, which is more than 3 years or so. That is the battery life.
So apart from this cycling, do you need any licensing for driving this from the RTO?
No.
What are the complications?
Basically, this is for anywhere in the world for the bicycle there is no license. But we will give the helmet along with this bicycle, so that the safety is taken care.